Good day, everyone, and welcome to the hallway makeover and tour. Hello, everyone, it's me, Chanel, here, and today I'm going to do a video on decorating in your hallway. I am going to try my hand again at creating some more artwork for the hallway. I did a few months ago and it was a fail. It did not work out quite exactly how I had planned, so I'm going to give it a go again. And I'm going to bring you along with me while I try to create this particular artwork. So I would like to say to everyone out there to stay encouraged, keep hope alive, and to just keep yourselves busy while you are maybe inside of your homes with you and your family. Get to know each other a little bit more and learn some new things about one another, and creating some special moments, some special memories can be created during this time. Some great bonding time with one another. And I know it gets a little intense being in the house and being confined for long periods of time, but it is something that we need to do. And so let's just make the best of it while we can. It is a great idea. Get some of those things on the honey-do list done, as well as getting creative. You can get creative with the children, with your spouse, or just yourself. Pull out that old sewing machine and dust it off and get to work. Anything, get to knitting something, whatever it is that you like to do for a great pastime or hobby, get to work on it. Opportunity to do that. So let's get right into the video. And again, stay safe, stay encouraged, and stay prayed up. Let's go. As I was showing you before, here is the frame that I am going to be using, and it is sort of a shadow box frame. It is recessed in, so I'm going to be using, as I've shown you in a previous video, and I will leave the link for that video down in the description box as well. And I'm going to use some stones and place them on the inside. They are the white ones that I just showed you in the previous clip, and I am just going to get a piece of board, glue it to it as previously, place it back in the frame, mount it in, and put it on the wall. Here's the paper that I have chosen. It is going to be on a white backing because the mat that is already in here, it is a cream color and the frame is white. So it goes along with the colors that are already in the hallway that is existing. Now again, here is the stone that I'll be using. Well, the faux stone. I'm pretty sure it's a piece of marble, and it is just gilded with the gold going around it. And I love how they have chopped off the ends, chiseled them down. Place it on the textured side of the paper. Use my glue stick and glue gun and just put some glue on here. I'm not going to take all this tag and all that stuff off. Well, might be good if I put some more glue in here. So I'm just going to put glue over it. And it normally adheres very, very well. Doesn't matter about the paper being on there. As you can see, it's already dry. So I'll just let it sit there for a moment, let it cool down a little bit before I enclose it in the frame. So I'll just flip it right over, line it up in there. I'll raise it and look at it, make sure I like the look of what's going on. And this is one reason why my hands are often dry, because I do a lot of work with pictures, fabrics, and things like that. So I wash my hands extensively a lot, which I do anyway because of my job. I have to keep very clean hands because I work with people. And when I'm doing projects like these, You don't want oils and things like that on your hands because it will transfer to your papers. It will transfer to delicate fabrics that I use as well. So I just like to be safe, and I'll just wash them, not put on lotions. But after I'm done with my projects, trust you me, I am oiling up just as much as the next person. Does that not look pretty? I like it. So now I'm just going to, and this is where I will be putting the artwork. So you can see where I had that fail and I actually hung the pieces up there. That is where they were. And I took them down, and now we're gonna give this another try. So here they are. Oh, I just like them. And when the light bounces off, look, you see that? You see that glow of the gold bouncing off? Oh my goodness. Back over here, I'm gonna take my measuring tape and measure each one of the pictures here and transfer that measurement, and then how many inches apart I want the pictures away, or the artwork away from each other. Well, I guess I gotta take these little ones down back here off the wall and get it all ready to go together as they are stacked here on the wall. But first I gotta remove these existing nails that I put up there before. So, and you can see up there where I put the marks on the wall, and I will just cover that up with some paint, touch-up paint, and it will be just fine. Down there, it's not an easy chore. So I measured it, and we're just gonna hope for the best. Ooh, not there looking good. Measure these 2.5 inches down, 2 inches down. And we measure across, trust me, line, and measure where my dot is. And do 21. And so after the fight with the walls and all the measuring, I have finished it, and now you can take a look at the finished product. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. And I hope you get inspired, motivated, and moved to keep yourself busy, stay safe. And this has been Chanel, and I'll see you all in the next one.